Hey everybody! So I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm ready to show some things I already know. What we're going to be doing today is called the quick review because we've done these things before. You're going to recognize them and you're going to say to me, hey, I know this. I did this last week, yesterday, maybe last year in first grade. So let's see what you remember. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm thinking the directions up here should have said something like fill in the blanks or complete the pattern, because I noticed something right away. These numbers are changing, and when they're changing, they're getting bigger. So it goes 5, 10, and then we don't know what happens next, but then a 20 comes. So is there any sort of pattern that you know that goes 5, 10, 20? I recognize this. This is skip counting, and we are skip counting by 5. So if you look at this, it's going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, right? And why in a chapter about time would Mr. W be wanting to review skip counting by 5's? Yeah, so 5, 10, 15, because we are practicing to go around the clock when we're counting minutes, right? So if you start on 10 here, let's follow this pattern around. 10, 15, 25. So something in between 15 and 25. Found it. So think about what you already know about skip counting by 5's and try to complete these two. 25, 30, 35. Oh, and then this one's tricky. So this is like you're starting with a really big number, and then each time you're counting, you're getting smaller. So watch me. I was on 50. I went to 45. I was on 45. I went to 40. I went from 40. So to complete this pattern here, I would be going up to 40. And to complete this pattern here, I'd be coming down from 40 to get 35. Oh boy, and then we have kind of a story problem here. I need a little territory to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and scoot a couple of my math problems up. There we go. In Andy's neighborhood, 15 people have birds. All right, so these are Andy's bird people here. There are 15 people in the neighborhood with birds. And 9 people are cat people. All right, hold on. So 9 people have cats. How many more people have birds? So they're really not interested in the bird number. They're not even interested in the cat number. They're wondering what would have to happen for these two to be the same. How do you compare them? What is this missing part? So do I add the numbers up to get the missing part? Or do I subtract the numbers to get the missing part? Well, adding the numbers, just so you know, would get me quite a big answer. It would be 24. Huge. Much bigger than the box I'm looking for. I know my number needs to be kind of small, so when I'm missing one of these small parts, it tells me I need to subtract. 15 take away 9. It's kind of a tricky problem to do. I'm going to start at 9, stop me when I get to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. So the difference here is 6. 6 more people have birds. 6 less people have cats. Should be a review of some of the bar modeling we did earlier in the year. Thanks for working with me, friends. I'll meet you on the next slide for the problem of the day.